Hi guys. Okay. Yep. So this is gonna be my last haul ever in Florida, in this house. Ew, that went in my mouth. I'm not trying to French kiss today, okay, or rainy day. But yeah, this is gonna be my very last haul. We're gonna do no editing because today's also my last day here. And so it's pack up day, like into the cars and all that stuff. So I'm very excited. Actually, by the time you guys are watching this, I think probably, I'm not sure because I'm pre-filming, but yeah, I am sure. What am I talking about? I'll be in Texas. So exciting. But how am I supposed to show them all this stuff if your massive body is blocking the camera, okay? Yeah. Okay. Y'all, this isn't gonna work. This isn't gonna work. No. All right, we're just gonna keep Loki out there while I get through this because I have to show you guys what I found. I'm very excited for these things. Was that my doorbell? It wasn't, I was hearing things, but when I brought this home and I showed Mike, I was like really hoping she was going to love it, but I knew there was like this huge chance that she wouldn't, but she does. And she tried to take it and I was like, no, I gotta do the haul first. So let me show you those items first. They have a bunch of like youth children's t-shirts, and Micah is in love with she's obsessed with Spider-Man. Like that's her superhero. She's making me go see the movie when we get back home. I am not a Spider-Man person, but like whatever, there it is, I'm going to support. And I know this is small, but she's tiny, and I was like, maybe you can make them and turn them into like cute crop tops. So that is what she's going to do. So that one was really cute. Then she loves this one. And I got the biggest size that I saw that they had, which was an 8. I didn't see anything larger than an 8. It says be amazing today. It's cute, it's pink. But yeah, she can like cut it up. And then I also got this one with the Marvel. They had a bunch to choose from too. They had like Garfield and I forget. I think they had like Disney princesses. And then I got Ninja Turtles because she also loves Ninja Turtles. So those are the 4 that I got, and I got all of them in a size 8. I guess while we're on the Spider-Man kick, I got her a coloring book, the Spider-Man one. The other night I was up in her room, you guys, and she was showing me some coloring that she had done, and it was in that nice little town coloring book, which I always talk about. They're linked in my Amazon storefront. And I was like, oh, you went and grabbed one of my coloring books and you colored. That's like really pretty. She goes, no. She's like, I ordered this from Amazon. She had no idea that like I loved nice little town. Oh, there's a little cardinal right there. He's so cute. She had no idea that I liked it. She just found it and loved it. And it's pretty random information, but so she loves to color. So I got her Spider-Man. So there's that. I got the travel little kit. I love this little kit. As I've been going back and forth between Florida and Texas, this has just kind of been so easy for me to travel with. I don't know, I've just really liked it. It's $1.25. I like it even more for that. I also picked up these. We're gonna be staying in an Airbnb for now until I get my house situation figured out in Texas. So I got these specifically though because it's got the plastic covering. It's just gonna be easy to travel with. It's not gonna touch anything else. It's gonna kind of keep it sterile. So that's why I got it in that form. I also bought a ton of candy for this trip, but I ended up eating most of it. Here's what I haven't eaten yet. I got these Warheads Laffy Taffy. So that. I also picked up these facial sponges. I don't know, they just look so good. There was so much skincare and, you know, stuff at Dollar Tree on this trip. I was so amazed. I got more of my favorite makeup vanishing towels. I've never been more obsessed with a product in my life. To explain it again, this is just a microfiber towel and all you do is add water. That's why I love it. I also love it because it's the only thing that actually gets rid of all of my makeup, including my eye makeup. Sometimes I feel like the next day there'll be left over under my eye if I use a makeup wipe, not with this. And it doesn't have any of the chemicals because you're just using water. So I love it for that reason. Then I found this Mask Me Sleep Mask. It's supposed to brighten your skin, restore suppleness, improve radiance, locks in moisture overnight, hair growth minimizer in 1/2 of jar. Wait, what? Wait, what is that? What does the skin have anything to do with a face mask? But it's gorgeous. Even comes with a little applicator. I mean, wow, it like matches the box with this like crown look. That's really cool. Am I wrong? Is that not supposed to be for your face? Yeah, it is. I don't know why it's talking about your hair. It does not clog pores. It's dermatologist tested, cruelty-free, not formulated with parabens and mineral oils, all skin types. So there's that. Okay, here's another candy that I haven't dug into yet. It's the Godiva Chocolate Domes in Milk Chocolate. Just looks so good. Is it worth $1.25? Then I picked up these cute little travel jars. This is something that I feel like was missing as I've been going back and forth, but now I'm gonna be back in Texas, you know, so there's that. But I got it anyway. Here's another one of these. I feel like I got several of them. Then I picked up this shadow switching sponge. This is definitely something I need, especially for my eyeshadows. All you do is like, you know, clean your brush off in here and then switch your shadows. Excuse me. But yeah, so I thought that was really cool and I could definitely use. I wish they had this in more of like a travel size. I mean, this isn't too bad, like realistically, but maybe something a little bit smaller. Then I found these bath petals. Wish there were other color options like white, red, pink, but the purple is very pretty. It gives you the list of ingredients on the back, by the way, and as you can see, they're just a bunch of petals that you can throw into your bath. You know, if you want to do like an aesthetic night for yourself, these would be really cute. They are also beautifully packaged, so it's going to look great in a gift basket or care package. Okay, then I found this vitamin C and E mask. Ooh, isn't this like packaging so pretty? I don't know what's in like each, a cleanser, a serum, and then the sheet mask. I've never seen them do it like this. You get the whole step. That's pretty cool. $1.25. So there's that. I also picked up this candy, but as you can see, I've already gone into it. Now, what actually caught my attention about this is that strawberry is back. Didn't even know that they had strawberry to begin with, so I was very intrigued. So I had to get it for the strawberry. I've already tasted it. It was really good. So, loved it. Then I picked up these spring clamps. Like, what am I doing? I'm supposed to be packing. I'm not supposed to be adding to all the stuff I gotta take back, but you know how I get. This is something new. I had to share it with you guys. This line right here, Tool Bench, they rarely put out new stuff. So look at that. That's pretty awesome. Then I got this carpet deodorizer. This is gonna stay here, but I'm going to use it to like refresh all the carpets. I'm gonna vacuum just before we go to bed and then close all the doors. That way Loki can't go into it, and then all the rooms are like nice and clean for the new owners. Okay, so then I picked up stickers. Why? You probably saw this in the shop with me. I had to bring this little card home. This is so freaking cute. I look at these cards from a junk journaling perspective. I love that there aren't any words. Oh, look at that. It's even blank on the inside. That is honestly perfection in my eyes. Like, I would rather all cards kind of be blank. That's just me personally, and then I can write whatever I want in it. But yeah, such a cute little card. Then I did pick up these air fresheners. They looked new. This is by the brand Wizard, which there's a bunch of Wizard stuff at Dollar Tree. Is this a Dollar Tree brand? No. But Wizard is always at Dollar Tree, so I don't really know like how they continuously keep their stuff stocked. So there must be some type of relationship there. So this is an odor eliminator plus an air freshener. So we've got lavender, we've got clean linen, or wait, what? Yeah, clean linen, and then fresh breeze. This one's like a smoke neutralizer. So in case you need to know about that. Then I also picked up these Sour Patch Kids strawberries. As you can see, I started opening into it. So I got that. Then I picked up this Biore pore strip. It's $1.25. I really don't think it's worth this, but I saw it, I grabbed it. I think you probably get, yeah, one nose strip in here. I don't know. Let me know. Do you buy the bigger boxes? Is one strip worth the $1.25? Somehow I doubt it. Then I found this hand soap. It's absolutely stunning. It kind of gives off this leather look to the label, which I really love. Plus the color combos just reminds me so much of Ralph Lauren. Like, it's gorgeous soap. I love that it's like an amber colored soap and it's called Coastal Cedar. I mean, it even smells like Ralph Lauren. Like Martha's Vineyard Ralph Lauren. Okay, so go get that. All right, next up, I did pick up the little Barbie tea set. I'm just gonna stuff this somewhere for my little niece. This is like this. This is why you have to look out for Dollar Tree, because you never know when little new things are gonna come in that you just wouldn't think. Like, they've never done this little tea set accessories from Barbie at Dollar Tree. So that is new. I don't know why I got these, but like, here we are. This is like a little Nerf charms. Like, how cute is that? And they are blind bags. So I was like, you know what, I'll open it on camera and see. So it shows you all the little keychains, charms that you can get. So let's see if we get, okay, here's the first one. Super cute. Could be great for junk journaling if you want to do that. All right, see if we get a new one. Oh, we did. Here's that one. And our last one. I mean, there's 4 to collect. I should have gotten 4 bags. Oh, we got a dupe. So we got that, and we got this. I don't even know what I'm doing on my channel, if I'm being honest with you. All right, then I found these cute little Lego toy blocks. These are brand new. These are so impressive to me. We've got the little construction truck. As you can see, you got to put it together because it's like a little Lego pack. That's pretty awesome. We've got a little fire truck. Even if like it's for an adult, maybe they're a fireman, you know, or something like that. Or like you love delivering maybe lunch or cookies or something to your local fire department, you could put this together and put it in a basket. Like, that would be so adorable. That kind of reminds me of something Gwen would do in House Sitter. You know, when she's walking Bo, her dog, or Boomer, not Bo, her dog Boomer, she's walking it by the fire station, she's waving. I can just see her putting together a little basket and doing something like this. So random. Then we've got this farm. Like, what? So freaking cute. And then we've got an army. Brand new, you guys. And we're gonna end the very last things with another Shook item. These are blue light glasses. The way that they're packaged is very interesting. They are marked at $14.99. Like, what? Blue light filtering glasses with a soft case. They had multiple cases to choose from. I was just kind of like, I don't know. But like, look at these. Look, you even get the case in here. I don't know how these ended up at Dollar Tree, but like, listen. Now these, okay. These are basically for your screens, your computer screens. That's where your blue light is gonna come in. So these are gonna be good for that. I've ordered these off of Amazon and now they're at Dollar Tree. Like, are you kidding me? So we got these pretty green. And then I was trying to go for like more of a neutrally, like, look at this packaging. Who are these people? Was this like at a Kohl's or something? I don't know. If you know where this came from, or if you know this brand, which is called A New Day, I've never heard of it, but these were $14.99. So, and they're just blue light filtering glasses. Like, I would only keep them on if I was in front of a computer. I would not keep them on like walking around or doing any of that. But that's it. That is my haul. My very last haul here. In case you're wondering what room this is the office. And it's completely empty. The whole house is basically empty except for what we're packing in our cars. And it has been a very interesting year. It's all gonna be in my autobiography. You can pre-order now from my Etsy shop. I'll link it down below. Also, just wanna let you guys know, for those of you that are pre-ordering, that are getting your names in my book, you're obviously giving me permission to, when you're placing the order, you're giving me permission to put your name in my book. So I just want to throw that out there as well. If you do not want your name in the book, just let me know. You can send me a message and I'll make sure that that does not get printed. So anyways, that's it. I'm coming home. Texas, I'm coming for you. Florida, thank you for letting me come here and search out my dream. It just wasn't the dream. And I figured that out. I know what home means to me now. And I'm just so grateful that I got to experience this and figure all that out, even though it was the toughest year of my life. So I'm gonna go before I start that hysterical laugh where I don't know if I cry or if I laugh. I hope you guys enjoyed, and the next time I see you, I think that I might be doing an empty house tour. And then after that, I'm gonna see you in Texas.